Hello there and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about Microsoft 365, the well-known cloud-based platform that helps businesses increase productivity and enhance collaboration within their digital workspace. In this video, we'll check out some of the key elements of Microsoft 365 that let businesses be more efficient by having a complete overview of documents, managing tasks, scheduling appointments, and improving teamwork project management. For more detailed information, be sure to check out our comprehensive and up-to-date review of Microsoft 365 on our website, bestreviews.net. The direct link is in the description box below. Now let's take a look at what Microsoft 365 has to offer. Microsoft 365's package is most well known for its productivity apps Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The company has maintained its strong presence on the market throughout the years, staying ahead of the game by constantly updating its features, creating new apps, and improving security. The platform is home to plenty of useful apps, storing everything in the cloud and instantly syncing files across devices. Also, you can rest assured that your data is safe and sound with anti-phishing, anti-spam, and anti-malware protection, alongside multi-factor authentication. Microsoft 365's online dashboard has a clean layout and is easy to navigate. The button in the top right corner allows you to install all desktop apps at once, which comes in handy since there are so many of them. There's also a search box that makes it easier to quickly look for an app, team member, or file. Once the apps are installed and files created, the homepage shows an overview of recent projects and documents that users are working on, divided into categories. The Create tab is excellent for instantly creating a presentation, spreadsheet, or form, and choosing templates for flyers, reports, and more. Files are accessed in no time in the space called My Content. Finally, the Apps tab neatly presents all apps available and outlines what they are useful for. Microsoft 365 being entirely cloud-based is great for many reasons. For one, data loss is almost completely out of the question. Secondly, files are always accessible from any device. And thirdly, it enhances collaboration between team members as they can view and edit documents at the same time. Microsoft OneDrive is the storage app where all files are backed up, and it safely stores up to 1 terabyte of data per user. Sharing documents from OneDrive requires minimal effort, as it's possible to share folders and files by either introducing an email or copying the share link and sending it to a coworker. Microsoft 365 also has tools that streamline communication within an organization, such as Microsoft Teams. In this app, coworkers can message each other, add posts for the whole group to view and comment on, and make video calls. These collaboration and communication tools certainly help businesses increase their efficiency, but other features also play an important role in a company's productivity levels. For example, Microsoft Planner helps businesses manage their workflow with tools to create, organize, and assign tasks. There's also Microsoft Bookings, which helps scheduling and managing appointments with coworkers or customers. Additionally, the Delve app helps leaders by giving them an overview of the projects their teams are working on. The app shows relevant information about the documents, like how many views they have and who opened them recently. The software is available online or as dedicated apps for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, and all files are instantly synced across all devices. User experience is always first rate, regardless of how you're accessing the software, as the mobile apps are well designed and intuitive. The cherry on top is that each user can install all the apps available on Microsoft 365 for Business on up to 5 computers, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. All these apps help businesses enrich their digital workplace, as everything in the workflow can be easily created, organized, accessed, and shared. Moreover, new versions, upgrades, or security patches are always available at no additional cost, so companies constantly keep up with Microsoft 365's improvements. Prices for Microsoft 365 for Business aren't the cheapest, but you get a lot for your money. The plans are subscription-based only, and you can choose to be billed either monthly or annually. The basic plan is the cheapest, but its apps are limited to web and mobile versions. The standard plan is perfect for small businesses, as it offers desktop versions of all apps, including Access and Publisher, as well as standard security. Those more concerned with data safety may go with the premium plan. This offers advanced cyber threat protection, which includes Intune and Azure information protection. Finally, for anyone needing only essential apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, a subscription to Microsoft 365 apps for Business will suit them best. Although the annual plans are cheaper on a monthly basis, there's no money-back guarantee, so not being able to cancel the plan for a whole year may be a drawback for some users. The good news is that the software can be entirely tested for 30 days, so indecisive users are able to try the platform before committing to a 12-month contract. Microsoft 365 offers superb customer support, as account administrators can rely on online and phone support, available 24/7 through the admin center. For billing inquiries, there's phone support from Monday to Friday during business hours, and for technical assistance, users can call at any time on any day. But it's worth checking out the FAQ page before contacting, as your question may have already been answered there. The company's website also has many tutorials and videos, along with other types of documentation that help users with more common technical and usage issues. Alternatively, small businesses willing to pay a bit more for fast and easy ticketless assistance may choose to purchase an additional support plan. Microsoft 365 is an all-in-one platform that significantly helps businesses increase their productivity, which is no easy task. Its collaboration and communication apps work seamlessly across all devices, and files are always backed up to the cloud in real time, so they are easily accessed and shared. Although the software may seem pricey at first sight, the 30-day free trial lets users see for themselves that its tools are worth every penny. Some may consider it a downside that the prices are subscription-based only, but that comes with the advantage of always having the latest versions and upgrades of the software with no additional costs. Moreover, the company provides 24/7 customer support and reliable security measures. All of this makes Microsoft 365 a powerhouse and ahead of its competition. That's why the Office suite is perfect for all types of business, big or small. Have you got any questions about Microsoft 365? Leave us a comment or check out our full review on bestreviews.net. Find the direct link in the box below. Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!